Hi, my name is Jen, and this is my dog Benoit. He's 12 years old, and he's a Cheepom. When I first rescued Benoit, he was very sick. He was vomiting regularly. We had 4 separate instances in which he had to be checked into the ER for a week at a time when he had such low blood sugar that they actually thought he was going to die. And he refused to eat even the gastrointestinal food that the vets were giving him. He got released from the hospital and diagnosed with IBD and also with ulcers. As soon as we put him on the puppy gang food, it changed overnight. He loved the beef. That's what we started him on. He went from eating once a day to eating 4 times a day, huge portions, and scarfing it down, just absolutely loving it. He gained back the 1.5 pounds that he'd lost over his illness, and it only took about a month. It's helped with his skin conditions. It's helped with his stomach. Obviously, we've had no reoccurrences of vomiting or any of the issues related to his stomach problems. His hair's grown in more. Overall, he's just a happier, healthier dog, and I would highly recommend Puppy Gang Fresh Foods for anyone who's looking to give their dog the best food experience and also health experience.